All right, so we touch on Leon Bailey now. Now we're in a Gold Cup. This is another big stage. Leon Bailey is, I would say, let's say Leon Bailey is the face of the Reggae Boyz. Leon Bailey is the face of the Reggae Boyz, right? So you being the face of the Reggae Boyz, the expectations are that you should be the main man. I.e., Ronaldo is the face of Portugal, he turns up. Messi is the face of Argentina, he turns up. Mbappe is the face of this. So Alan is the face of Norway, he turns up. So all of these players who are the face of their teams, their national team, they tend to turn up. Pulisic, as you see last a few nights ago, Pulisic, face of USA. Balogun, another face of USA. Both players turned up. Guess what now? Alphonso Davis, face of Canada, turned up. Guess what now? Leon Bailey, you have to do the same. We can't consistently call Leon Bailey the face of the Reggae Boyz, or the face of Jamaica, or the Star Boy, or this or that, or Retete. But yet still, when he puts on the jersey, we get way below par. It can't be the case. No, this is a time where Leon Bailey has to fix up and say, okay, what do I need to do? Am I doing too much? Am I overdoing it? Am I well, I don't say underdo. Am I not doing what is required of me to do? And from the fans' perspective, it's 100% clear that you're not doing it. From the fans' perspective, if I should do a poll right across the board and said, and this is with the poll, has Leon Bailey done enough to be warranted or to be called the face of the Reggae Boyz? And I can guarantee you that most person would say no. He has not done enough. Now, most times we see Leon Bailey, one too many touches, over dribble, want to be the main man. So he got to be the main man. And unfortunately, him trying to be the main man so badly end up not giving what is really required. Keep it simple. Keep it easy. Keep it calm. And I do believe that in that aspect, I think we might get a better Leon Bailey. But it's going to be difficult. And I do think that the court, the jurors will be out for this Gold Cup specifically for Leon Bailey. I 100% believe so, because you have gotten sufficient time. A lot of players haven't get the opportunity that Leon Bailey got, and week in, week out. And he's a consistent, or would rather say, he's a sure starter in the Reggae Boyz team, which means that you must give us 100% performance. And in the aspect, we really see Leon Bailey get substituted, which means that once you're on the pitch and you're not getting substituted for another player to come on to give us that opportunity, you must be the man and win the game. Not just win the game, but be the man. Don't have to always be the man to do all this fancy stuff, but perform well. We saw you in Aston Villa jersey. You did well. You did well in a lot of those games in Aston Villa jersey. You don't try to be the main man in the Aston Villa jersey, and you did well. Don't take up the Jamaican burden for your back. Play the game simple. Play the game. The performance will come, and I think we might see a lot more from Leon Bailey. So, and maybe because of the excess pressure, why you're not seeing a better Leon Bailey. But the Drew will be out Leon Bailey. You have a turn up this time. Everyone is get thin. Majority of the squad is on a thin line. And I think your line is thinner than most, because you are the person everybody will look to. That's why. And you have to face the burden. You have to face the pressure. When Messi never win a World Cup, they say Messi no good, Messi a flop, can't win a World Cup. The whole country upon him back. Same is with you. You are the face of the team, and you have to accept the responsibility there, and you have to accept that the criticism that comes with it. You are the face. You are the man. And people don't just be the man just so. It must that you're good. And because you're good, we're expecting to see that. And that's what we want. Anyways, let me just stop the recording.